Hey, my people, e don settle. Kasala don burst for inside Ogberaka industry. Guys, Judy Austin own don finish kpatakpata because Judy never saw this coming. She never expected this at all. As Queen May Edochie and Destiny Etiko collabo in China, Judy Austin in tears as her deep secret has been exposed. Omo, no be small matter Destiny Etiko carry come give Queen May Edochie o. In as much as Queen May no get interest to whatever Yul Edochie is doing with his life, whether he's happy or not, whether he dey sober or not, whether he dey reflect or he dey regret or not, that one no concern Queen May. As far God has liberated this woman from what she once assumed as a perfect marriage or a good marriage, Queen May invested a lot, her time, her energy, her resources, her everything into this marriage. See how Yul Edochie turned out to betray her. But God in his infinite mercy, wey no dey forget him own, came up for Queen May. He came through for Queen May Edochie. My people, no be small matter dey say e happen o. Omo, Destiny Etiko carry update. She carry gist from Naija to China. Guys, as una know, Queen May Edochie posted this video yesterday of her and Destiny Etiko and even Adana Luke as they arrive China. Adana Luke and the company wey endorse Destiny Etiko and May Edochie as brand ambassador, they welcome them at the airport. It was a royal VIP welcome of Destiny Etiko and Queen May Edochie to China. No be small collabo. This one na money o. This one no be naira. If your skin no full, no pull body. Everybody dey happy, dey celebrate Queen May Edochie. Say, Queen May, where your grace come from? Like from nobody to somebody. Not that from nobody, like when I mean nobody, people barely don't know who Queen May Edochie was. They just knew her as Yul Edochie's wife. They don't know say that this woman be the brain behind who Yul Edochie was gallivanting on social media to be. Now Queen May, they give her all the ideas when e take dey blow that time. If you check and balance am, you will see and say, ever since Queen May dumped Yul Edochie, ideas when e go take blow, like when e go take trend, e no dey again, apart from when e go comment nonsense. E go want just make people dey talk about and go begin type nonsense for social media. Now Queen May Edochie be the grace when e cover Yul Edochie. Queen May cover Yul, shame for us, we no know. My people, if una remember, few months ago, Lizzie Gold produced a movie where she featured Yul Edochie and Destiny Etiko. They were together on set. We know say Lizzie Gold and Yul Edochie, no be today their matter starts. They can't hide it anymore. They are friends with benefits. So, my people, Destiny Etiko was seen with Yul Edochie. People come to say, Queen May need to be careful of Destiny. Why Destiny Etiko can't go the art movie with Yul Edochie? Some people fail to understand that this is profession. Like, she's doing her job. She get paid for it. Anybody, whether Yul Edochie or any other actor involved for that production, no matter to you. As far as say, now job you come for, they go pay you, you go enter house. Destiny knew what she was doing. She's not a friend to Yul Edochie because no woman with her right sense go support Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. That their adultery when they commit, that relationship when Yul Edochie take scatter in home. Anyway, that aside, so that was how Judy Austin and Yul Edochie and Destiny Etiko production came to an end, like the movie. Now, so Lizzie Gold post the movie for YouTube. Everybody enter house. Ever since, we not can see Yul Edochie and Destiny Etiko together again. Meanwhile, we know say Destiny has been supporting Queen May. Yes, even on our comment section, Queen May comment section, Destiny Etiko is always there, leaving positive comment on it. So recently, now we can see say yesterday in short, in fact, now we see say May Edochie and Destiny Etiko, they traveled to China together. Everybody was so happy. Guess what? Rumor don dey circulate for social media since now. Since Destiny arrived China with Queen May, una know say no smoke without fire o, and there in every rumor there must be an atom of truth. According to information and rumor circulating on Obasanjo internet space, say Destiny Etiko come tell Queen May Edochie say she see man full of regret in Yul Edochie. That Yul Edochie is not happy at all. Like, he's literally regretting every of his action. Destiny come dey tell Queen May Edochie say make she dey thankful for her life o. Say na God na really help her. Say because the way when she see Yul Edochie, the way Yul Edochie is even struggling to become famous again, like the way he dey try to rebrand himself is alarming. Yul literally can act movie with anybody, even though say that person na today just enter Nollywood, which is not supposed to be. No be say go dey selective of who to act with, but at least in his production there should be familiar faces wey be say people don know for the industry. But all where we dey see Yul Edochie now na with upcoming actors and actresses. Destiny Etiko say wetin she observe for Yul Edochie is that Yul is not happy. That Yul even confided in her and Lizzie Gold that he's really regretting his action. How I wish he can turn back the hands of time. Destiny Etiko say if Queen May can believe if she cannot believe anything on the media, she should believe it that Yul Edochie does not love Judy Austin. They are just talk together. Like, Judy don't become bone for Yul Edochie neck. When he not fit swallow, he not fit vomit am. Destiny Etiko say she observed Yul Edochie for hours. They were on set for three or four days, or like 3 or 4 occasions, that Yul Edochie is like a man that has a lot to say, but he can't say. Because Yul even know say Destiny Etiko na Queen May Edochie friend. He know say Destiny dey support Queen May. They say Destiny say a lot of times Yul Edochie wanted to talk to her. Secret talk, secret update, like secret. He want tell her some kind secret wey be say he no wan make anybody know. Say if Yul come to her, something go tell Yul Edochie say make he not talk. Yul go come use laugh, talk comot for there. According to information, they say Destiny Etiko is not even happy with Yul Edochie condition at all. How has the mighty fallen? Yul Edochie just use his hand to bring himself down. Destiny Etiko say Yul dey regret. He no love Judy at all. He doesn't even talk well of Judy. He doesn't talk good of her. That she was even complimenting Queen May Edochie how far she has come, her achievement, and how this woman silent finish Yul Edochie. Say she see Queen May Edochie as woman of substance. That Queen May Edochie should just be who she is. She should not just give ear to noise on social media. She should stay focused and stay relevant. Omo, they say Destiny Etiko was so proud of Queen May Edochie as she narrates her observation, like wetin she observe, wetin she think say Yul Edochie dey go through. Say all these paparazzi wey Judy dey do for social media, she dey force herself dey do am with Yul Edochie. That Yul doesn't give a F-U-C-K. Yul doesn't give a fuck of what Judy is doing with him. Now make Judy just do her content, come on for there. Now Yul Edochie dey. And that's why you see Yul Edochie every time with Lizzie Gold. Like now Lizzie dey even dey make her happy. Hey, Destiny say na Lizzie Gold dey even dey give joy, Yul Edochie joy. Destiny Etiko say na Lizzie Gold dey make Yul Edochie dey okay. That the man is so sober, he dey think, he's down. Yul don break down completely, especially as Queen May Edochie now come make am. As Queen May now this woman she dey break record. In short, Queen May don break record. We never see her tie before. We never see this kind of thing before. It never exists for that Nigeria. The way Queen May Edochie put Yul Edochie in his place, pick up her broken pieces and start life all over again. This woman rebrand herself. She did everything to make sure say today she's one of the best influencers. See Queen May now. She's now balling with the Destiny Etiko. Destiny na actress o. Destiny na popular person before actress. May, we just know her say na Yul Edochie wife, but today she has taken over the space. Mona just forget anything when Judy dey post for social media. Mona forget Yul Edochie, how they carry shoulder, they raise ego. Nothing. This man doesn't love Judy. He's regretting already. He don already dey regret in action. Because according to Destiny Etiko, in wetin she observe na man full of regret. God bless you guys. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to put up the post notification bell.